In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Arzopa portable monitor to a phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which mobile device you have, either an Android phone, an iPhone, it can be from Samsung, it can be from Vivo, any other manufacturer, you will be able to connect and use your Arzopa monitor. Setting it up is incredibly simple. All that you need are going to be two cables. So to connect the monitor to the mobile device itself, you will use a USB-C cable. So plug one end of the USB-C cable into the Arzopa monitor. You will find plenty of ports like these. So find a USB-C port available on the Arzopa monitor, and the other end of the USB-C cable goes into your mobile phone. Of course, in the charging port. So all that you have to do is establish a connection like this. One end of the cable into the phone, and the other one into the Arzopa monitor. After this is done, you will also need to provide it with power, so you need to connect it to an external power supply using the included USB-A to USB-C cable. The USB-C end will go into the Arzopa monitor, and the USB-A port will go into some form of power supply or even a device that is able to provide power to the monitor. So find a suitable power source and plug it in using the included USB-A to Type-C cable. As long as you have both the USB-C to USB-C cable connected, so the monitor is connected to the device like this, and then the monitor is connected to a power source with the USB-A to USB-C cable, you will be good to go. The image will be reflected and you can use your portable monitor. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.